figure that. Hey, welcome Aemal. Thank you for joining me on this workshop. By the way, we are giving an approximately 1 hour and n8n AI agent workshop at the BuildersKlub conference, which is sponsored by n8n. Hence, we are here showing people how to use AI agents. How are you feeling?
Absolutely stunned. Look at this. 350 people or more?
Yes.
And everybody is a builder. That's amazing in Berlin.
Yes.
What are we building here? Should I do an intro of myself to your audience, or how do you want to
Yeah,
go?
by the way, let's introduce you properly. Who are you?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Hi, everyone. My name is Aemal Sayer. I'm a software engineer. I've been building software for the past 23 years. 17 years of that full stack engineering, 7 years AI engineering, kind of ML and stuff. I have a master's degree in machine learning. But I'm now transitioning from a founder after building 3 startups and 2 agencies into an educator. I am running these monthly n8n and vibe coding workshops. The last one was 2 days ago. It was crazy.
You also have like numbers comparable to this conference, right? 300 or something.
I don't want to talk about numbers. We announced it, and look at the numbers, man. It's crazy. Therefore, I had to go virtual. Like the next one is happening 100% virtual. 245 people
Already.
in 2 days.
It's nuts. For sure, after this conference, there will be more. So make sure to join his workshops. So, by the way, I figured for our today's workshop topic, it's like Aemal's like there's community member to go to because we are doing a personal assistant agent. So we will hook up. Let me show you because I can show you.
Yes.
So this is the little workflow, the little agent that we are planning to build. It is
Cute little agent.
It's super cute, right? But we only have like 30 minutes. So it is an agent that is hooked up to your Gmail or any email and also to your calendar. And then I brought this little Airbnb MCP. So the idea is that you can have like this little personal assistant, give it like personality, like Samantha. You are a lot into Samantha, right? I'm into HAL 9000. So for me, yeah,
2001,
I need
what is that
I need HAL 9000.
Yeah.
It's like there's
The
super
system is called what?
super dark. It's
The
from the
Odyssey 2001.
yeah, it's from the movie, right?
What's the assistant name called?
HAL 9000.
HAL 9000. Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
HAL 9000. Yeah.
And it's like super bad agent. But yeah, we give it a behavior, we give it tools, we give it an MCP, and then it should help us book new events, maybe look for a place to stay, and like also capable of reading emails and even sending emails.
Exactly. What is the email? Oh, I
good.
had a question, a follow-up question. Like, what is that email thing doing here? Like, who are we sending this email to? So people who we are inviting, or kind of like a follow-up email to my wife that, hey, I just booked
The
an
idea?
Airbnb.
I think the idea is more like I have this email that comes in and there's a client asking, let's say for a workshop.
Yeah.
Hey, I want you for a workshop. It's really particular to my case, but the magic is it should work also for every case because it's just, like a chat assistant that follows your task and maybe even the prompt. So for me, it's like client asks me, hey, do we have time? First check my calendar. I have time.
Oh, I see. So calendar
Then-
integration is for that reason, so that I can book an Airbnb in a
And
time
then-
that I have time.
And then I can, exactly, then I can check my availability, I can create a blocker or even just the correct event and for me, Google Calendar. And then I can ask Airbnb where's like a cheap place to stay because I'm cheap and I love Airbnb. So that's the reason there's Airbnb, but you can hook up literally any other tool as well if you're more like into regular hotel booking. I think there's also an MCP for that. So that's a journey. That's what we are planning. And I think the next time you see us, we are already doing the workshop. And now we need to prepare actually some stuff. And we only have
Let's get to it.
40 minutes left. So we'll see you later. Bye.